Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to profit from Telegram. Telegram is an amazing platform with a vast community, and there are several ways to make money on Telegram. Let's divine. 1. Marketing. One of the easiest ways to profit from Telegram is by promoting products and services on the platform. You can create your own channel and promote products from other users or businesses. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for each sale made through your channel. 2. Ads. Telegram has a built-in ad platform called Ads. Telegram. You can create your own ads or promote existing ads on your channel. This can be a great way to earn extra income. 3. Trading bots. Telegram has a thriving community of traders who create and sell trading bots. If you're an expert in technical analysis or trading, you can create your own bot and sell it to other users. This can be a lucrative way to make money from Telegram. 4. Earning PUBG points. PUBG is a popular game on Telegram, and users can earn PUBG points by watching videos, playing games, and more. You can sell your PUBG points for real money or exchange them for other rewards. 5. Content creation. Telegram offers a fantastic platform for content creators. You can create your own channel and monetize it through ads or subscriptions. This can be a great way to earn money from your passion. Remember, make sure to follow the Telegram guidelines and regulations to ensure a safe and legal income stream. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to profit from Telegram, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an affiliate, or a content creator, there's a way to make money on Telegram. So start exploring today and unlock your full potential.